Find time to ground yourself back to nature. So today on a Friday, we're here at Lagati area. Lagati is actually a guest house, and this is a place where we feel like it's private because it's only the three of us. While on the other side there's a lot, but here you can feel the nature, the sanctuary, your privacy. Listen to the waves. Listen to the waves and feel the healing effect of nature. Feel the healing effect of the waves, the water. Thank you, sun energy. Thank you, water energy. And thank you, beach. Today's just another day. Ground yourself and go back to nature.